Adding Google Analytics to your WordPress website allows you to track and analyze site traffic. Here's how to do it. Create a Google Analytics account. Go to Google Analytics and sign in with your Google account. Click Start Measuring to create a new property. Follow the prompts to set up your property, including website details. Copy the tracking ID or measurement ID. Install a plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Search for Monster Insights or Sitekit by Google. Install and activate the plugin. Configure the plugin. For Monster Insights, go to Insights, Settings and connect your Google Analytics account. Follow the setup wizard to authenticate and select your property. For Sitekit, navigate to Sitekit, Settings and connect your Google account. Select Google Analytics and complete the configuration. Add code manually. Copy the analytics code snippet from your account. Go to Appearance, Theme File Editor in WordPress. Add a snippet before the head tag in the header.php file.